The purpose of How to Believe in Yourself workshop is designed to empower burnt out, overworked, underpaid moms by helping them recognize and overcome self-sabotaging behaviors and beliefs. Through targeted exercises and practical strategies, this workshop aims to equip you with the mindset and tools needed to foster self-confidence and to be more present in your roles as high-achieving mothers. So what will I cover? We're going to define self-sabotage and explore its impact on motherhood and your personal life. We're going to identify personal patterns of self-sabotage through guided reflections and group discussions. I'm going to introduce you to strategies for overcoming self-sabotage, including mindfulness, hypnosis, and visualization techniques, aka hypnosis. Discuss the importance of self-confidence and provide actionable exercises to build and maintain it. Explore self-limiting beliefs and decisions, along with techniques that challenge and release them, promoting emotional freedom. You'll also get general hypnosis recordings to encourage your inner child, which will cultivate that belief in yourself from deep within the subconscious mind. And of course, there will be more coming, as always, based on this group's needs and desires from what we gather within the community itself, where I can add more value to you in this course of how to believe in yourself. Be sure to watch for my next video that is on its way.